Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create 3D figure character with Gemini AI. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. AI tools have made creativity easier than ever before. From designing image to making lifelike 3D models, everything can now be done with just like few clicks. One of the most exciting uses is creating 3D AI figures. If you haven't been living under the rock, this is also a trend flooding social media right now, and this video will show you how to do it. First of all, you can just open your browser and search for Gemini AI. Gemini AI. Now you can open it. And then here you can ask Gemini. But before that, if you want to create the 3D figure with your picture, you can add file first. You can upload files. For example, I'm using this picture. Now you can enter the prompt. If you don't know how to create the prompt, you can just search on your browser. You can create like this prompt for the example. You can copy the prompt and enter on your Gemini like this. Now I can select on submit. You can wait. Now Gemini is generating your picture. Not only on Gemini, you can also create this 3D character figure with other AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva or Blackbox AI or any others AI that you know. Now we can just wait, create photorealistic, scale character figure and the commercial product photography style, show the finished figure displayed on the transparent circular acrylic base with the pose stabilized naturally, for example by a clear acrylic. Here's for the prompt. Now we can just wait. Maybe it takes a little bit longer, but don't worry, we can just wait until it finish. So here's the result, but I don't know. I think there's something wrong with this image that I just upload in this Gemini. So this image has been removed. So Gemini create with another picture. But if you want to try with your picture, you can try it. You can upload your picture and the result will be like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create 3D AI figure character with Gemini. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.